Imagine motorways of the sea connecting the two sides of the Adriatic, extending into the Ionian and connecting to the Danube, creating a continuous water bridge across southeastern Europe. A modern and efficient transport system in which ships would sail on priority lanes, offering a real alternative to congested roads. This is WaterBridging. European regulations and technological evolution demand radical transformation of our maritime system. The USER area is a strategic crossroads between the Eastern Mediterranean, the Black Sea and Central Europe, but its maritime and river transport system underexploits this potential. Even the Danube, a natural corridor that could ease road traffic, lacks modern infrastructure and integration with maritime routes. As a result, more freight is pushed onto roads, causing unsustainable congestion of European networks and severe air pollution that undermines Green Deal climate objectives. WaterBridging makes waterway transport a competitive, smart and green alternative to roads. First, transform our waters into true motorways of the sea. An integrated network in which the Adriatic, Ionian and Danube form a single intelligent system, and in which ports communicating with each other, instead of remaining isolated. Second, zero emissions in ports and more sustainable shipping. With onshore power supply, ships can turn off their engines and connect to the land-based electricity grid. At the same time, we are testing LNG and hydrogen as clean alternatives to traditional diesel. Third, digital revolution. We are testing 6 innovative solutions for seamless integration. These include web platforms for real-time information, interoperability between maritime and land transport, and blockchain for secure transactions. Our action plan starts with an analysis phase, followed by testing innovative solutions, and then extending the positive results to the entire network. The starting point is to gain a comprehensive understanding of what is happening on our shipping lanes. This involves mapping traffic flows, identifying digital gaps, and assessing the potential of clean energy. Each port will then trial specific solutions. These could include onshore power systems, shared digital platforms, alternative fuels, and integration with land transport. Our pilot actions will demonstrate that change is possible. Finally, we will look to the future to multiply the impact. We're developing a transnational action plan and establishing the smart motorways of the sea and inland waterways network for long-term cooperation. 8 partners from 6 countries have joined forces to transform Adrian maritime transport into a sustainable model for Europe. The Central Adriatic Ports Authority is coordinating the entire project, developing the transnational action plan. The Port of Igoumenitsa is leading the testing of pilot actions. CERTH is responsible for defining methodologies and analyzing traffic flows. The Intermodal Transport Cluster is developing models for the adoption of hydrogen and LNG. Moreover, the University of Skopje is studying the environmental impact of alternative fuels. The Science Park in Novi is coordinating the development of digital services. The Port of Bar is testing shore power and innovative solutions, such as the LNG Power Pack, and the Port of Split tests concrete models for port sustainability. WaterBridging is setting a new course for European shipping, shifting massive freight volumes from congested roads to clean waterways, connecting instead of dividing, and looking to 2030 with confidence and determination.